Most people think wealth starts when you earn more money, but that's not true. Wealth starts when your relationship with money changes. And for most people, that change happens at one number: $20,000. Today, I'll explain why your first $20,000 is the hardest money you'll ever make and why everything becomes easier after that. Survival mode. If you don't have savings, your brain lives in survival mode. Every decision feels dangerous. You take bad jobs because you can't afford to wait. You stay in toxic situations because quitting feels too risky. You say yes to things you hate because you need the money. This isn't weakness, it's biology. When money is tight, your brain focuses only on short-term survival. You're not thinking about growth, you're just trying not to drown. Think of money like a heavy boulder. At the start, pushing it uphill feels impossible. You're exhausted, you're moving slowly, you're wondering if it's even worth it. But once you push long enough, something changes. The boulder reaches the top, and gravity takes over. $20,000 is that tipping point. Before it, everything feels uphill. After it, momentum works in your favor. Here's the part most people miss. The real magic of $20,000 isn't the money. It's what happens in your mind. Studies show that even a small emergency fund dramatically increases financial well-being. Why? Because your brain finally has breathing room. You stop asking, how do I survive? And start asking, how do I grow? That single shift changes everything. Let's talk numbers. If you save $1,000 a month and earn an average market return, your first $20,000 might take about a year and a half. Hard, slow, painful. But your second $20,000 takes less time. Why? Because now your money is helping you. Your third milestone comes faster and faster and faster. At higher levels, your investments can generate $20,000 on their own without you doing anything. That's compounding. At first it feels invisible, then it feels unstoppable. Saving $20,000 does something deeper. It changes who you believe you are. You prove to yourself that you can delay gratification, that you can say no, that you're in control. That identity sticks. And once you become someone who knows how to save, investing becomes natural. Wealth stops feeling like luck. It feels like a system. When you're broke, every surprise is a crisis. Car repair, laptop breaks, rent increase, everything feels like a disaster. But with $20,000 saved, these aren't emergencies anymore. They're inconveniences. And something else happens. You start seeing opportunities, business ideas, career moves, investments. Money gives you options. Options create opportunity. Opportunity creates more money. That's how wealth snowballs. This part is huge. With $20,000 saved, you have what I call walking away money. You're no longer desperate. You negotiate better. You say no more often. You take smarter risks. Even if you never quit, your confidence changes, and confidence attracts opportunity. Most people ruin this moment. They hit $20,000 and immediately spend it. New car, luxury vacation, lifestyle upgrade. Don't do that. That money isn't a reward. It's the foundation. Spend the interest, not the seed. Here's a hard truth. Most people will spend more money on cars than it would take to become financially free. Monthly payments feel small, but opportunity cost is massive. That $30,000 car could become hundreds of thousands over time. The flashy car looks rich. The quiet investor becomes rich. $20,000 won't make you rich overnight, but it will change how you think, how you decide, how you live. It's the line between surviving and building. Start now. Your future self is depending on this decision.